Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company, and we're in the process of restoring a 74 Z1. A guy converted into a drag bike. So the oddest things are happening here. But anyway, here's the seat that came off it. As you can see, it's been kind of gooned up here with some welds for his custom application. And if you go down in here, there's some extra holes. You got the brackets here where it goes into the frame. The pan appears to be very solid. We're selling it as a 78 Z1R Seat. I'm not a Z1R guy, but I think this is what it is. Then, just to try to confirm where it came from, this is actually a metal gas tank for a Z1R, but someone cut the bottom out of it to make it fit the Z1R chassis. And this tank is a 78 Z1R tank. That leads me to believe that this is for this. Then also we have a tail section we're going to be offering soon. And this also came from the same bike. Now also, we also have side covers, side panels, also for sale on eBay right now at this point. So all this stuff is going to be on eBay, and low-cost shipping available on request, or possibly you can pick it up or whatever. But we just want to show you where we are, and thanks for looking at our stuff.